Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. We have here a 2008 P71 with about 133,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So yeah guys, this car is nice and just beautiful black and just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So if you have any questions about the vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at www.drivecarsmart.com for all pricing and information of the vehicle and even more pictures. Okay, so here we go guys. 08 Crown Victoria P71. Here we go. So you have a set of Unity spotlights, non-LED, that are fully functional. You got a huge push bumper. Look at this. That's aggressive, right? That is aggressive. So beautiful push bumper. You got Goodyear Assurance tires, like new, all the way around. Okay. Obviously, your spotlights, as I stated before, guys, they are fully functional. I did not mention the car was obviously it is a clean title, one owner, obviously prior government. Okay, check it out. The vehicle is currently on right now. I thought you could actually hear the engine idle. Okay, the vehicle does show that it's an ethanol, 85 ethanol, but I don't believe it until I see it, until we verify that with Ford. All right guys, so sorry about that. So let's get back to it. Now there's one antenna at the very top right there that is for display only, okay, and is not connected. Look at this, just gorgeous, very nice. That is my standard, guys, on my cars. All of my cars, I treat them as, I restore them. I make them look like this. I don't take any shortcuts. Okay, guys. So when you guys are getting a vehicle from us, you're getting a good car. Okay, and remember, it does come with a 3-month or 3,000-mile limited powertrain service contract, so you can always upgrade to more. Okay, so it'll cover your engine, transmission differentials for any surprises. Anyways, but we could get more into detail about that later if you decide to give us a call and want more information about that as well. All right, so now let me pop the hood, let you guys hear the actual engine idle. Okay, one second. Okay, so here's the engine, guys. Remember, guys, I'm never gonna clean these engines, pressure wash these engines. Whoever buys the vehicle, if you want to pressure wash it, hey, you're a brave man, but our policy, we're never gonna wash an engine. We're gonna we'll go ahead and we'll blow it out, right? But aside from that, we're never gonna wash them. Okay, but I'm gonna be quiet for a minute. Like that, you can actually hear the actual engine idle. All right, perfect. So let's close this up and show you the interior. Look at this push bumper. That's crazy. All right, one second. All right, so driver's door, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power seats. Okay. Miles 133,522. There is a lock on the actual button here, so we cannot push it and find out exactly what the idle hours are. Okay. There's your one-of-a-kind radio that right, that are equipped with these vehicles. We do have a metal compartment here. This light is actually it is fully functional. Okay, you have it in black, in white or in red. Okay, so it's your ticket light. Okay, you have a dome light as well. Perfect. All right, so now let's show you the back door. Perfect. Okay. Rear door. All right. Perfect. Okay, now we're back to the trunk compartment. We got a full spare. All right, perfect. So now let's go to the passenger rear door. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible, guys. I'm trying to beat the sun from going down, and so obviously it will affect the video on this, but don't want to take any shortcuts. Okay, it's not how I roll. All right, check it out, check it out, check it out. So you have the it's a beautiful tan with gray on it combination on this vehicle. Okay, and then the back is obviously it's a tan vinyl. All right, perfect. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is something a little extra. I'm gonna hop in the car and then just take it for a quick drive, let you guys know, hopefully you guys could somewhat see the vehicle shifting through revolutions. Car shifts perfectly, there's no issues with it, no check engine lights. Car was recently smogged, so car is ready for new registration. So bear with me just a moment. All right, so here we go. So dead stop. Okay, here we go. First, second, third, and we brake. There's a bump here. Perfect, nice and stiff suspension. Okay, car shifts perfectly fine. There's probably, oh, I left my pen in the background so you can hear that pen rolling. Okay. So let's go again. So first, second, third. Okay. No issues while shifting. The car shifts perfectly fine. All right, that stop. Brakes are good, nice and solid. Stops on a dime. Okay, and we're done. Cool, guys. So let's walk outside real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, cool, guys. So we are now outside of the vehicle. So again, guys, we're at our local neighbors area, or you know where our business is located at, but a nice residential area. But again, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out. Consider hitting the subscribe button and consider hitting the like button to find cool people like yourself that are in the market for Interceptors, or enjoy the Interceptor vehicles. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a blessed rest of day. Talk to you soon.